How to add QuillBot to Outlook. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to add QuillBot to Outlook. So to add QuillBot to Outlook, you have first of all go to their official browser, type in QuillBot.com. And when you're on this page, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now here you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to Add to Chrome. When you have added the extension to your Chrome, corner, it's going to load up in a Chrome web store. Now go ahead and tap on Add to Chrome. When you've added the extension, now you could go ahead and look for Add it to your Microsoft Word. When you do that, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and create your account or maybe log in with your Microsoft. And then just follow the prompt and you'll have successfully installed or downloaded or added QuillBot to your Outlook account. So in this way, you can go ahead and add QuillBot to Outlook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.